You know, when it comes to business, I believe back to basics is what you need. You need to understand who your audience is. You need to talk to that audience, and you need to provide services or products for that particular audience. And the best way I can help you is to talk to you, to look at what you have in place, and then go from there, meeting you where you are and upskilling you with what you need for your business. And now you don't need every little digital tool out there. You just need what your business needs to grow. You don't need it all. You know, yes, every business can be automated. And, you know, I just spoke to a client yesterday who said he really doesn't like this automation. It's not personal enough for him, or, you know, he prefers pick up the phone and so forth. Fair enough. Well, then design the automation like that. You don't have to have this crazy automation that you see from these 7-figure and 8-figure gurus that they probably didn't even write themselves.